Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap, and I've got another beautiful special release page kit to share with you. This one is called Sunny Fields, and it's absolutely perfect for those outdoor summer photos. Let's take a look. The paper collection is so cheerful and pretty. We have two of the smaller sunflower prints and two large sunflower prints. In addition, we've got all kinds of coordinating cardstocks. These are all 80-pound cover weight. We have this soft yellow, then a light aqua and dark aqua, this really pretty soft gray, a light brown, and a dark brown. So that's 16 sheets of paper to work with. One of my favorite things about our kits is that we always include 2 sheets of 12 by 12 printed cut-aparts. You can see right away they're filled with lots of coordinating images. We've got your journaling prompts, page titles, and other things to help you finish those pages quickly. The ribbons we include to help you embellish your pages include this really pretty yellow gingham. We have 2 yards of this natural paper cord, and then a grosgrain edged granulated ribbon in this light aqua. Then we're also adding a set of 4 of these really cool sunflower laser cuts, 4 silver sunflower charms, and a generous scoop of these flat back rhinestone gems. In our 27 years of making kits at Club Scrap, we've learned that you love to have a little bit of extra guidance to help you utilize everything that comes in our box. So we have some instructions that you can download and print at any time. And then when you're ready, follow along with me on the YouTube workshop video. I will walk you through the trimming and placement of all of those papers and cut-aparts and turn them into 8 12 by 12 scrapbook pages. Let's take a quick tour of those finished pages. You can see right away that we've got lots of room for your photos, but we're still incorporating everything that I told you comes in that box. So during that video workshop, we'll start by sorting all the papers, and then we'll trim them all very specifically so that all the math works and everything lays out beautifully. And when you are finished with this workshop, these are the exact layouts you will be able to create. We are going to have so much fun putting these pages together. So grab that Sunny Fields page kit while supplies last, download and print your instructions, and I'll meet you in the workshop.